the due course. The NII has slipped about almost 12%. NIMs have come in at 5.8%. So they're lower by a good 60 basis points, and this on a sequential basis. So a bunch of these stocks on our radar this morning. And then, of course, ITC, neutral numbers there. Swiggy, the losses seem to be narrowing now. And then Dabur, wherein 66% of the portfolio has benefited from the GST cuts as per the management. These are stocks that we're going to be keeping on our radars. For the index, though, it seems like it's going to be one of those very, very quiet starts. Where it heads from there, let's see whether we make another attempt to claw back to that 26,000 mark just yet, or are we going to wait for next week and some more earnings to transpire from there? That, of course, remains to be seen. The market opened then this Friday morning, and once again, it's a pretty quiet start. We're circling around the 25,860 odd level in trade. Straight up to earnings reactions. Let's see what ITC is up to, what Cipla is doing, what Swiggy is up to right now. Very, very quiet, and it was a neutral set from ITC regardless. Cipla down about almost 7/10. Swiggy, of course, has made a decent move. A 3.6% move up is what Swiggy is actually seeing in terms of the earnings reaction. Let's see what Dabur also is up to. That stock also will come up for you on your screens. And then, of course, others like a Bandhan Bank, where perhaps you could see a sharpish reaction, although the stock has really been beaten down, and this is not the first time that Bandhan Bank has been subpar in terms of their earnings delivery. One has seen that trend for the past many quarters. Another 4.5% lower for Bandhan Bank as we speak. United Spirits, of course, was a good set. So was Welspun Corp, Lodha Developers, and I guess that's where you must be seeing positive reactions. 4% higher for United Spirits. Welspun Corp up 2.25%, and Lodha will just come up for you on your screens, 2% higher there. And then, of course, the order wins for both BEL and BEML should also keep those stocks warm. And then I want to see what Reliance is up to after offering free Gemini AI Pro plan worth 35,100 for 18 months. Reliance very, very tempered in trade right now. NTPC also came up with its numbers, which was largely an inline set and positive commentary from the management. Emphasis also came out with its numbers. DLF, wherein they've achieved the 72% of the full year sales guidance of 22,000 crores. That's going to be the other stock to look out for. Down 6/10 for DLF as we speak. Pidilite, the numbers have largely been in line. The consumer business volume growth stands at now 10.3%. IEX, let's see what those numbers as well are right now, and what the stock reaction on IEX is. 1.25% higher for IEX, and the margins, they came in at 86.7%, so largely flattish there. But the EBITDA has seen an uptick of 11.5% there. And then, of course, there's Indegene, IKS Health, Restaurant Brands, Gillette, ASK Automotives, Datamatics, Gravita. These have all come out with a decent set of numbers. And IB Industries, the EBITDA has jumped up 45%. I guess that's the dhamaka earning. And margins also have seen a move. 7.5% is where they have come in at. So a bunch of these names are reacting to their numbers. And by the way, Manappuram, Motilal Oswal, JBM Moto, these are also earnings reactions that you may want to keep on your radar.
Well, yes, so these are some of the stocks that have been in focus on the back of earnings, individual news flows as well. Naveen Fluorine doing very well. It's up 13%. United Spirits on the back of good set of numbers, up 4.5%. Gillette India also good numbers, up 3%. Union Bank's agility, that continues to do well. IKS, like Aisha was talking about, also doing well. Stocks under pressure other than Bandhan Bank include Motilal Oswal, 5-Star Business, NTPC. JBM Auto is lower by about 2%, and we are going to be interacting with that management too. A little bit of tempered move coming in for Dabur after inline set of numbers. It's almost a 2% cut coming in on that one. Cipla, the stock is down another 1.5% after the management trimmed its guidance, and of course on the news of their MD and CEO resigning. So that is a stock under pressure as well. But all in all, it seems like a tempered start to the market. 0.1% lower, absolutely flat. But yes, a sub that 25,850 mark for now, and 25,900 too, of course. Kunal, your reading on the way the market has opened and your preferred bet this morning?
Yeah, expecting the markets to consolidate